Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. She is still on bed rest, but she can hang out in her little pop-up thing. We did review this little pet tent. I'll have that video linked right up top. But today we are going to be opening up this crazy cool Worx Trivac outdoor vacuum and blower. I've had a couple different blowers since we lived in Arizona, and they are not very high quality, but Mr. Cameraman got this one for me and Zena today, and we are super excited to try it out. Blowing, mulching, and vacuuming. So there's like a little blade that chops up what you suck up. So let's unbox it. Comes with instructions. That's kind of funky looking. Holy cow. It's got clips on it. Ooh. Well, that is definitely not coming off. Hopefully I never have to take it off. And then this is the bag. Seems very high quality. We'll see. Generally, the bags don't last very long. Ooh, it's pretty thin. I mean, you can literally see through it. I can see you. I don't know if you can see me. But I am gonna give it a try. Let's see if we can get it put together. I don't understand why there's two sucker parts. So now this, you just push this down. Sorry, Zena. Sorry. Sorry. But when you do that, you have to make sure that this is in. So we'll take that out. That goes in like that. Now it gets clicked down. Okay, so this part is the blower, maybe? So we'll have that shut, because I don't like to blow, I like to suck it up. Okay, so that's what it is. So right here you can choose if you want to blow or if you want to vacuum. And I want to vacuum. So this vacuums, this blows. And then you just hook this up. And then you just click that to go. Maybe we have to do it this way. Yep. Sweet. Okay, well, before I start, Zena hates the blower, so I'm gonna go run her inside really fast. Come I don't really know what this thing is. Maybe it's supposed to hook these together somehow? I don't know. So I've done about 3/4 of my yard, and it is just now showing signs. I'm not sure what that noise is, but it's just now showing signs of being full. Which is really cool. I've never had one that you can fill up so much. This bag is almost totally full. Well, I am gonna finish it, but it is getting dark, so I just wanted to kind of talk about what I like. The coolest thing is that it uncovered one of my lemon cucumbers hiding. I did not even know I had one. But there's just a couple things that I wanted to talk about this Worx little blower. Now, the strap is, I mean, kind of useless. So you put it up on your arm while you're blowing or while you're vacuuming, and it's one of the most uncomfortable ones that I've ever had. I mean, there's just no comfy way to put the strap. Maybe there's a way to adjust it. I can't quite figure it out, but for most of it, I've had to hold the strap with my other hand while I'm vacuuming, just because the strap is a little bit awkward. And the only other kind of weird thing I'd say, well, there's two more. This is really big. There's not like a small opening, so it is kind of hard to get in and around tight spaces, but that's okay. You just had to move move the furniture, and then you can move it. Then you can get to the leaves. And the other thing that I wasn't super in love with is the blower. It's just not very, I don't know if it's because my leaves have been sitting on the ground for a really long time, but the blower is not very powerful. But it is cool that you can adjust it. Just if it was a little bit more powerful, that would be great. It is super easy, however, to switch from the blower to the vacuum. Like super easy. I did, oh, looks like it's actually kind of full or clogged. Let's see, that's how you take it off. Oh yeah, it is clogged. So I did suck up some long stuff that appears to have clogged it. And the nice thing is it does have a safety feature. It won't turn on unless everything is put together. So you can be doing this and you can rest assured that it will not turn on. Now that I've kind of loosened up that clog, let's see if things about this blower is the capacity of the bag. I have never had a blower that's been able to last so long before I've had to empty the bag. Most of my other ones, I would have to have emptied it 2 or 3 times by now. And the power of the actual leaf vacuum itself, it has a lot of power when it's sucking leaves up, and it really chops them up. One of the best things is this is gonna sound really gross, but it picks up Xena's poop. So that is really great. My old blower was not strong enough. It would just kind of float, and then once you moved the blower, it would fall back down onto the ground. But at the same time, it's not too strong that it sucks up all of my rocks, because here in Arizona, we do have a lot of rocks. So it's really nice that it does not suck those up. Well, yeah, those are kind of my main first impressions of this Worx blower and vacuum, leaf vacuum. It worked out pretty well. Actually, for what I was using it for, it worked really well. So if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Definitely, if you need one, you can check out this Worx leaf blower, and make sure to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Xena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Not like soup. Oh, one more thing I did want to mention. This is the best leaf blower I have ever had on like pavers. It's like crazy, crazy, crazy good. It sucks everything up out of the cracks. I mean, really, really good on hard surfaces. Well, thanks for watching this video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.